In this video I just want to show the assembly of this Oriental Ornamental bridge that we're going to put in the garden. It arrived today, bought it off the internet because I couldn't find one locally. Anyway, I've unpackaged it. The packaging was a bit rough to undo, which is not very good if you need to return it. Anyway, it came in this polythene which I've torn open, and inside you've got the bridge part and the handrails. The handrails were underneath it, and we've got these cross rails and the screws, some large ones, long ones and shorter ones, and the instruction, that's really all it is for the instruction. That, nothing else. So it looks pretty straightforward. You put these together after reading this, put these screws in and you should be done. So let's try the first one, shall we? So here I've put the first one in, and I'm now going to put this second one in. They go in quite easily by the look of that. And then just on the side, I'm just going to put these two screws in, two small ones, these silver ones. So I've got to this point here, and it's obviously now starting to go into the wood, which makes it quite resistant. So it obviously cuts its own thread, but quite tough, I noticed, with the screwdriver. So I'm hoping it doesn't burr the ends here. I've laid it flat and I've put the first one in, but you can see by your hand it's very hard going, is that, to get them screwing fully home. So that's them two fully done. Now I've got to do the rest of them. As you can see, it's going to go on this side of the bridge. As I'm screwing this one in, I'm having to hold these, pull them together, and that screw is going in at a bit of a slight angle. So I might have to take that back out, try again. Don't want it coming out here. The screwdriver I'm using is just this. You can see it's hard going on the hand. It's starting to bear on the end. So it's only just made it through as that one. So I've got to do this one now. So that's them 4 screws put into them cross rails, and this is what it looks like. And I'll just lift that over to give you a better view. It's going to look something like that, look, once I've screwed it fully in. So just these 2 more to go, 2 cross rails, and then the big screws in at the side, and we're done. We're getting there, nearly there. 2 more screws to go. Just show you how big those screws are for the side here. So there we go. I've just got to put those side screws in now, and then we're done. You can see in the side it's got the pilot holes to drill into. And this is the first screw that I've put in that's coming through, look, to match the side of there. That's the first one fully home. I'm just putting the second one in now. I've now decided to use my drill to speed things up. You can see I've put the battery on. It's going to speed things along nicely. See, a lot quicker than I could have done by hand. Just making sure it's matching with the pilot hole on the back of there. By just lifting it slightly or putting it down. Now then, although I've not put all the screws in yet, I'm just going to take it into the front garden and show you what it looks like, and then bring it back in and finish it off. Here I go, taking it out. Now this is where I intend to put it, across here. As you can see, it does look rather nice in situ. We're going to get a windmill to go there, and I'm going to create a river to come round there and go under the bridge and come round here. So as you can see, it doesn't look so bad, does it? Anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and look out for my next video. Thank you very much for watching.